Morning, Steve Ray in Chicago with the morning grain comps. We have a mixed tone overnight. We've got beans a little bit lower, corn and wheat a little bit higher. I think the market, first of all, is looking ahead at the October 12th USDA report, in which the USDA could raise the soybean yield, could lower the corn yield a little bit, and wheat's probably oversold. As far as the pluses and minuses, beans, we think the crop is bigger in the United States, the carryout's bigger, and South America is off to a good start as far as their crops are concerned. The positive is that we've got record demand. Over in the corn, you have the conflict between higher carryout and the fact that versus the fact that farmers may not sell, and the fact that demand is also record. And over in the wheat, it's oversold, but world fundamentals are negative. USDA is closed today, so we won't have any inspections report, or we won't have any crop progress or conditions reports until tomorrow. And so not a lot of news today. And the market basically thinks we're in range bound until we know a little bit more information about supply or demand to push things out. China's back. Their currency was down. Their stocks were up. Their margins for soybean crushing is great, and so they should be a buyer of beans. We'll see if they buy from us or if they buy from South America, betting on a good crop down there next year. We also note that the financial markets are playing as if Clinton is going to win the presidential election. And after last night's debate, some people are kind of leaning a little bit more towards that. U.S. weather over the next 2 weeks should be warm. A little bit more than average rain in the north and a little bit below normal rains in the south. And certainly the U.S. southeast coastal lines got drenched with hurricane this past weekend. They're going to try to dry out. South American weather, some of the dry areas in southern Brazil are going to get rain, and northern Brazil is starting to dry out. We'll kind of watch that pattern pretty closely, especially if northern Brazil stays dry. So a mixed tone, and we're probably range bound going into the report on October 12th. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.